Hi, good afternoon. This is Mark Miller from Right Line Trading. Wanted to showcase our AI AutoTrader for you today.
Order filled. Order filled.
Awesome. So today is March 30th. It's 2:22 in the afternoon, and today I'm trading two equities. Again, it's the AutoTrader. All I do is click the enable button in the morning and just let it run. Just sit back and let it run. So it's taken some really good trades today. I'm super excited about the system. Just to give you a little bit of background, just recently we had a real discovery. We converted our charts from the Unirangle bars to the 1 minute bars.
Order canceled.
And it's a game changer. This has absolutely revolutionized the way this system works. And the real secret sauce now is it gave us the ability to go here and utilize this strategy analyzer. And inside this strategy analyzer, we're able to put all of our proprietary software settings and then run this on backtested data to get the output of what it would have done. And with that information, that has made this system just unbelievably successful. Today, so far on the NQ, I'm running $1,750 of realized profit. I'm still in the trade right now. Looks like it's right here. It's 130. The trade's kind of set up. Just trying to get to this target here. I've got a 50-point target for the second order. Over here, it made the first target and it didn't make the second target. So right now, P&L on this particular instrument for today, we're at $2,034 combined. So we'll let this trade kind of just transpire and see what happens. See if we stop out at stop. I've got the stop I think set to 25 ticks. So if I do take a 25 tick loss,
order submitted.
This will be subtracted just a tad. So the MNQ just got back in a trade automatically. So it's going to try to hit this target here for the first target, and then the second target up here. So you can see I've got on the MNQ I'm doing 4 contracts at the first target and 2 at the second. On the NQ, because it is a bigger equity and cost, I'm just doing 2 contracts on the first one and then 2 on the second. So it already made that first target for the first one, and hopefully, if this trend continues, we'll pocket a little bit more cash. So let me kind of walk you through just quickly with the go to the trade performance and see how the system's been doing today. Again, this is my live money account, and for today I'm at, as we showed earlier, $2,034. Again, I got both of these instruments going. So on the NQ, we're at 1750. The area that we really focused on now that we can do this backtesting data is the percent profitable. So it's taken 20 contract trades today. 14 were successful, 5 not, and then 1 scratch. So again, $1,750, and we're still in the trade right now on this one. The MNQ, again, it's a smaller value contract, but again, I'm running a 67% profitable for today. So that kind of sets up the trades for us. Let's move this back out of the way. And
order filled. Order filled.
Awesome. Ooh, $2,500. Sweet. All right. I feel like I should just shut it off, but I'm really confident in our system and the way we have it programmed now that I just sit back and I have it stopping at 4 o'clock anyway. We set it only to the parameters to be allowed to trade between 9:30 and 4, and that's really when institutional money is at work anyway. So let me just show you the secret sauce really quick, and then we'll hopefully finish this other trade out and put this little presentation down for you. This is the strategy analyzer I mentioned, and the way this thing works is I pick the particular strategy, and that's our strategy that we've developed. And now I go down in here to the templates, and we've created these templates. I use this one. I go down and I trade the NQ. And what this does is it allows me to go back and get the data for any date range that I want. So I'll just do, the month of March, and I'll run this guy, and it backtests all the trades. And when I go to the chart, it's unbelievable. But it basically says that if I would have started on March 1st and looked at my account today, I would have had $22,970. And again, this is just trading at NQ. And it would have had a 76% profitable, which is just staggering. That's impressive. And the real beauty that we've noticed is, again, I'm trading my live account over here, but when I backtest the data and take a look at it, so let me see if I can go from the first. Let's see if I can do that for today, and it should show these trades that transpired today. Absolutely it does. Wow, this is unbelievable. It's truly unbelievable that it can do this, and that this is actually where it takes those trades. So this is the NQ. So this trade right here at 1423. Now over here on the backtested data, 1423. You can see that it on the backtested data, it showed that it was going to buy it at 13,052. Over here on my actual account, it actually purchased it at 13,051.5. So that was 2 ticks off. The other two contracts were purchased at 13,051.25. Again, this backtested data, it took them both at 13,052. So that was 3/4 of a tick off. And then on the backtested data, it said that it met the first target at
Order filled.
13,057. And over here it said that it met, or actually over on my live chart, it ended up meeting the target at 13,056.25. So what we've learned in this backtesting of the data is it does have a slippage setting somewhere down here. So I think they can give it like one tick or whatever of slippage and run it, and kind of just see how that plays out. But what really has us super excited is that the data
Order submitted.
Lines up exactly or super close to where the actual trades take place. So again, that second target, it said that it sold at 13,064.25 on the back test, and actually on the actual trade it sold at 13,064 directly on 0.0. So just a half a tick, or I guess we call it 2 ticks, half a tick off. So again, the backtest data is not identical, but it is super duper close. So when you look at those numbers, those huge numbers, they're not going to be identical. You're not going to end up with $24,070. You're going to end up with somewhere close to that. Is what I'm guessing from the way our backtesting is looking. So this is just a super impressive breakthrough that our team made, and looks like I'm sitting at $2,624 now.